Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying what you actually control: device serials, receipts, and the Apple ID email. Once done, choose recovery versus deletion. Deletion is permanent, so make sure you want to proceed. Next, open Appleid. Apple, calm and attempt an account recovery using the email. This step can reveal if you can reset the password. If recovery fails, prepare your proof of ownership documents and note device details, because Apple support will require them to validate identity and authorize the deletion request. Now you contact Apple support through chat or phone and state you want the Apple ID deleted but lack the password. Explain why recovery failed and provide serial numbers, purchase receipts, and a government ID when asked. These prove ownership. Apple will run verification and may issue a secure request ID or case number. Write that down. While you wait, remove the device from Find My if possible. If not, tell the agent so they can record that status and proceed with backend checks. To finish, make sure you've backed up any iCloud data because deletion erases it. Once Apple approves, you'll receive a confirmation code and an estimated completion date. Confirm both and keep the request ID. If deletion is blocked, the most common cause is insufficient proof. Escalate politely to a supervisor and provide additional receipts, bank statements, or carrier records. If you're still stuck, ask for written denial reasons so you can address specific gaps and retry with targeted documentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.